If you want to check also to see if the frequencies are already appeared in the station parameters, so you can close this menu and then go to the station list, and then if you right click on any station and go to parameter, and then on the channel tab you will see the assigned frequencies, all 5 frequencies that we assign to each station. We also can use the Control R option to delete any deactivated station, and you can also save this new network file with the new frequencies attached to it. You can go to File if you want to save this updated network file. Go to File, but before that, so let me show you another option. You can go to Help, and then on the menu configuration you can select any tab or any function on the top part of the tool, and then say Show All. This will show all the features which are available in that specific tab. So I just select File and then Show All, and then come back to the file, and I will save my mission file with the new frequencies, and I will call it output frequency file, and now you can update it. So when you save it, if you want to load it later on, you can just load this new file, and then it will contain all the new assigned frequencies. So I know it might be a little bit confusing, but I will just quickly go ahead and repeat the process one more time to make sure that we are all at the same page, and then you're confident on each step. Let me go ahead and close the tool, and I try to launch it again. Let me just go ahead to HTZ Warfare, and I launched the software again. Okay, I'm going to load the same project by clicking on it and select the name. After the project, it's loading and it's showing on the screen. You can go to the walkthrough file, and on the right side, as you see, select shortcut, go to workflow, and select your walkthrough file, and I will go ahead and import my mission file right here, and then you can select the all the stations basically on the map, showing all the stations on the map by going to database, station database, and then select all and on map. And then if you want to isolate the stations which you're trying to assign the frequencies to, you will just select them and then isolate. So one important note that we don't need to worry about during the frequency assignment or the interference analysis. We don't need to worry about the stations and then see if they're actually causing any interference, and then which ones are existing or which ones are just added by the new network, because here you can go and check the collision start end. By checking this option, you basically let the tool know, or basically the tool will automatically take into account the date of each mission, and it will ignore any unrelated stations which are not during that period of time. So it's a good option that it gives you kind of like peace of mind, where you don't need to worry about any existing stations in your study. because you have the date already defined. And you see, if we go to the back to presentation again, as we already saw in the parameters, you see all the channels, the 5 channels are assigned to each station basically. Okay, on this slide we'll see that you have the option to do the automatic frequency assignment to allotment by creating different polygons, and you can attach any mobile station to this polygon and try to assign any frequency plan automatically by the tool to this allotment. This allotment, of course, it contains some mobile station and fixed station, or only fixed station. It depends on how do you define your network. So during the interference analysis and frequency assignment, after you create your allotment, the HTZ will assume that this mobile station or be able to move anywhere within this polygon or this allotment. Another thing that we need to consider here is all the interference calculation will take into account the mobility of the transmitter and receiver. I can go ahead on the tool and show you how this feature works. Let's go back to the tool, and as you see, you can load your mission file as we always do, and you saw in the different slides. So that's the first thing you need to do. I'll go ahead and load my mission file, and then if you go to the parameter of each station, you can define your station type, which is mobile in this case. You can also attach different node to this mobile station or fixed station even, and link them together using the link option that we have, and attach them all to the polygon or a specific allotment. So if you want to see this list of the links that we created, you can go to link list, and as you see here, you have different links between mobile and station inside each polygon or allotment. So if you want to attach at this point the frequency to each allotment, it's easy to do. You can go to the station list and then right click on any mobile, and then select the option fast check frequencies, as you see here. So by default we are using the channel plan, which is attached to the mobile parameter, and at this point if you click on start, as you see on the screen, the tool will go ahead and assign different channels or frequency that you define to the station. Okay, as you see, the result will give all the possible channels or frequencies that you can give to different station or mobile. So you will see OK and not OK. So the not OK means you can't use this frequency because of the chance of interference between different stations or mobile, and OK means you can use them without that frequency is usable without any chance of interference. So this option comes very handy when you're trying to do the interference analysis and frequency assignment. If you define a allotment, you can attach your station to it. Basically the idea is to have your mobile station and your fixed station, or only mobile station. It depends on the type of network you're trying to design, and try to attach different frequency to each allotment, which is containing the station inside that allotment.